Are you searching for the best mini metal lathe machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mini metal lathe machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time, but VEVOR Mini Metal Lathe Machine, precise engineering, ideal for professionals. This power metal lathes high-precision 4-inch 3-jaw chuck handles both square and round objects with equal aplomb. It's especially suitable for jobs requiring high accuracy, such as threading, large working capacity. This metal working lathe cranks out 550W and handles small to medium projects. Upgrade design. The small metal lathe uses metal gear instead of a nylon one. Aluminum handwheel can increase service life. Automatic power-off protection switch to make it safer. An extra LED lamp can help you finish processing in places with insufficient light. Complete control. The lathe's rotational speed can be set from 50 to 2500 RPM and monitored by the digital display. The well-crafted head and tail stocks, large through-hole, and 4-way tool post also contribute to providing greater control of your work. Thanks for watching till the end. This was a short review video where I tried to give you the key highlights of the product in the shortest time possible so your time doesn't go to waste. I always aim to keep things simple, clear, and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about the product or checking the latest price, you'll find all the links in the description below. You can also order directly from there if you want. I really appreciate your time, and if you found this video useful, feel free to like, share, or even subscribe for more short and helpful product reviews. See you in the next one.